Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show us how to sign up for a 30-day trial, activate the link, and then log in for the first time. So let's just start. First, you're already on the right URL. So what you need to do, instead of logging in here, you click on sign up for a 30-day trial. So I'll do that. Now here you enter your name, my name, that's okay, full name, and I'm going to use my Gmail here, and then I'm going to enter my password. Now if for any reason you are not sure of the password you entered, always feel free to click show. Okay, I'm not going to click here to secure my password. Then I'll click on I agree on the terms and conditions. If you don't click on this, you will not be allowed to proceed. So for example, you see, so the next I click on it, and then I click register. Now after this, your account will be your default account will be created, but that's not all. You will need to activate your account, right? That's why it says, I say thank you, your details has been successfully submitted. To complete your registration, kindly check your mailbox or spam box for your activation link. Now remember, I used my Gmail. Okay, so here is the mail that was sent to me. Click on it. Okay, now here's the mail, and I have to click on this activation link here to activate my account. And here is my church code. It's important you know this code, and I also suggest you don't delete this email because you may need this code in the future. So to proceed, I click on this activation link here, and it will open a page where I will need to fill up some details. Okay, now I'm going to add my church name here, and if there is a branch, you add, but if none, you can leave it at none, or you just add headquarters. That'll be okay. The church address. Okay, so here let me just add any address here. Fill up everything, and it's important to give us the nearest bus stop or landmark. This is very important. Now, the church phone number, please, and not your personal number. The church phone number. The church phone number. And then the church email. So in this case, I might choose to just add the church email here. No email will be sent to this email address, and no SMS will be sent to this email at this point in time. It only receives emails and WhatsApp numbers in the course of usage. Okay, so having filled everything, I'll click on submit. Now your account successfully activated. So at this point, you'll be able to now log in. Okay, so now we will proceed to log in. Remember, I use my Gmail. Okay, and at this point also, because you created the account, you are the super admin. So you add your email, add your password, and then you select super admin. Okay, then the next thing we do is click on login. Now you have successfully created your account and then logged in. Okay, so at this instance, you are using the trial plan, and you can actually evaluate the solution for the next 30 days. And if it's okay with you, you go ahead and sign up by upgrading your plan. Now also, should you want a higher plan where everything will be done for you as you want, that is an enterprise, you can feel free to contact us. We'll discuss with you and know other options that will be better for you. Okay, so to progress to the system, I click. Now, if you want to go to the members dashboard, you click here. If you want to get to the finance dashboard, you click here, attendance dashboard, or first time. If none of this, then you click on skip to dashboard. Please forgive my system is a bit slow today. Okay, so this is the main dashboard. This is the main dashboard, and this is the side menu. We have the finance, and we have the partnership. We have the attendance. We have the event, members, first timers, new converts, admin, and settings. Settings has quite a number of other options, and then profile. Okay, in subsequent tutorials I will take my time to elaborate on all of these modules. Okay, thank you and remain blessed.